This is just going to be a quick garden update. Today is the 30th of April, and this is just a quick look down the first tomato row I have. There's a row right there that I just planted of cucumbers, probably a half a row. So that should be coming up in probably in a week or two, I hope. But these I planted around, it's been a while. A few beefsteak. I only planted 6 the first time I planted out just to see if they would make it through the weather. And there's a few beefsteak and a few brandywine. Try to get a close up so I can see. They're in the shade right now, but they look pretty good. They're flowering. Some of them have small tomatoes on them as the flowers start to die off after they get pollinated. I don't know if you can see. There's the first 2 tomatoes from the first ones that I planted. Some that I planted out 2 or 3 weeks after this, they already have tomatoes that are bigger. For some reason, they were started at the same time. These were just set out a little bit earlier, but they're looking healthy. I fertilized them last week. Again, I fertilize them probably every 2 weeks, especially since they're flowering, just to try to keep them producing and growing. But this is just a quick look on the whole row. These are brandywine through here, and beefsteak, which I'll show you the biggest tomato that I have. It's right there. That's the biggest one. It's probably about a 1/2 inch across. So that's the rest of them. They're flowering. And then a couple of rows over, I planted these today of the various types that I have, thanks to Dorothy down in Mississippi and Joe up in Illinois for the seeds that I started. I ended up with 40 plants total. I only planted 20 in this spot, and I'll plant the rest of them later on, probably in buckets, so I can separate them as far as saving the heirloom seeds that I'll get from them, because all these are heirlooms. And if you look, there's 3 more rows of pole beans that are coming up, and then the corn that was planted same time the tomatoes were planted out, and we never did get a frost, so it's already up about knee high. So that's just a quick look of the garden at the end of April. So things are starting to pick up and take off. So just wanted to keep myself updated on how they're progressing, how fast they grow, and just give you guys a quick look of what's going on. So hope you guys enjoy.